sleeves. So, I don't know if you can see enough of this. This is Megan doing washing up, which we do quite often together. She's also chewing on the tuner for the lyre. Do you want the brush bit? I'm going to wash the tuna. Maybe not really such a great idea, like it. Oh, it's got bubbles on. Enjoying the bubbles. Oh, they look like tasty, Pippi. You're eating the bubbles. Bleh. Oh no, Pip, that's yuck. You're eating yucky bubbles. You're gonna have a very clean mouth, eh? Yeah. Oh, where's it gone? Do you want the brush? I'll get the tuna out because I don't want the wood to be soaking in there too long. The brush has got bubbles on too, right? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's getting hot here. Is that all? Have we finished already? Do you want the tuna? No? Yeah? I'm gonna wash it up again. What's up? Where's it gone? Yeah, where's it gone? It's down there. There you go. You want to? Oh, you want the sponge, hey? If I really squeeze it out, Pippi, you can have a go with it wiping. Do some wiping. That's nice. Well done. Lovely wiping. And you want to splosh it in the water. See, the problem is, Pippi, if it gets really wet, then you have wet all over you. I'm sorry to be boring about it. There we are. There. Very nice. Well done. Yeah, it's washing your hands a bit too, that's good. This is lovely. Here it is. Oh look, we could do your dad's coffee pot as well. I need to get to compost really. What do you think, Pippi Pip? If I move the chair a little bit, can you stay up there safely wiping while I empty the compost? Yeah? Oops. There we go. That's next. Oops. Back. Hold on tight. Well done. And then we can, oops, let's wash this one together. And the inside. Can I have a go by myself for a minute? Thank you, Pippi, thank you. Alrighty, you'll go again. I use the brush. And let's just rinse it off the plunger a bit. Dada's coffee pot. Okay. Anything else? What about this lid from lunchtime? Huge frying pan lid. And we mustn't wash the pan. Your Dada's new pan. Not going to wash that. We're doing funny noses with your hand. Okay. What about this cloth to wipe the sink with and get all the coffee grounds away? I'm being dreamy today. I'm singing and dreaming. Oh, it's a soggy one. There. How about Pip, if I pour the water out, then it can't be getting soggy anymore. And then you're going really careful that you're drinking the water out of the sponge. I can wipe the cooker here. Oh, oops, I switched off there. I think that cooker has got burned on overflowed rice. No. Oh, sorry, Pippi, you can't reach the water. Okay, I think we're finished. Are you finished? Would you like a proper drink? Instead of just slurping the sponge. Does it feel nice for your teeth? Does it taste of coffee? You're still doing cleaning. It's very nice cleaning. I'm showing Gabriel your lovely cleaning. Yeah, there's a tiny bit of water in there. I'm going to splush it away. Splush! There. All gone. I'm going to switch it off.